Well, further to my video on my newly purchased portable solar panel system and my subsequent report on its ampage compared to the solar one on the roof, there's some people out there, yes, you, Alison, Felixa and Robin, want some more information because you can't wait, can you, because you're impatient. So you want me to do a video on how I've wired it into the batteries, the controller, and how the solar panel fits into the dashboard, the windscreen. So part one is how I've done the batteries. Here we go. As I've said, this is temporary because I don't know how I'm going to use it. So you can hopefully see that down there, point down there, is a vent. And the vent goes down into the battery compartment. So for now, because I don't know if I'm going to put it up there or where I'm going to put it, so it's just there as a temporary measure. So I've just poked it through the vent with a bit of slack and it just sits there out the way. So keep rolling because I've got to take 500,000 cushions off to get to the battery compartment, but don't worry because I'll speed it up. So keep rolling. There we are. So as you can see, the cable, the cable comes down there and I've just tacked it on to the side, and the live wire goes to that connector and the neutral negative goes to that connector. As you can see, there's no way I can put crocodile clips on here, so I've had to hardwire it in. So this is my connection, which is that. It's a snap-on thing. So there are two screws there. If you undo the screws, you can just wire it in, tighten them back up, and it snaps back on. The same goes for the positive. Okay, that's part one. Is part two. How do you put the portable solar panel on the inside of the windscreen so you can leave it and go for a walk and no thief, horrible rotten thief, is going to nick it whilst you're away? This is what you do. You fold it all out and you take the fourth one, you bend it round like so. Correction, what a faff that is. I found a new way of doing it. You see, what you do is you bend that fourth panel round, so you don't use that fourth panel, just the three all the way across, and you use these blinds to keep it up against the windscreen, and we're now getting 1.8, 1.9 amps to the battery, not 1.4. And doesn't it look a lot neater? Okay. And this is what it looks like on the windscreen on the outside. And what you do, you see, you get one of these bungees, because they have loops here. One bungee there, wrap it round there, and another one on there, so the wind can't make it fly off into the beautiful lake. Ah, there you are. Right, shoes off. And what do we have? The scores on the doors. 5.5 amps. Zoom right in because we couldn't see that before. And that is on the outside, on the top of the windscreen, which is marvellous. That's the end of the video. I hope you found it useful. Any questions, fire them off and I'll help if I can. See ya. To look pretty, it's meant to charge your batteries. Let's plug it in, see what ampage we're getting.